Well, New York's real estate market is showing signs of life. That is according to the city's biggest commercial broker. John Erlichman is right beside me with a little bit more, so I guess there's reason for bullishness in the Big Apple, other than just, you know, you and I love living here. But there's business interest bullishness.
Well, actually, you say bullishness. Bullishness has been the key word when it comes to this stock. CB Richard Ellis shares are up about 160% over the last year, because a lot of people have seen this as a way to play a real estate recovery. If there are more deals happening, if there's more leases being signed, these guys are going to do the transaction and cash in on it. Well, last night this company reported results. Sales were stronger than expected, and the CEO, Brett White, telling us, yeah, the size of the deals, they're getting bigger.
We're now seeing deals in the 200, 300,000 square foot range circulate through the city, and those are the deals people get excited about, and those are the deals that certainly to us bode very well for the future of the Midtown market in the near term.
Here's why those kind of comments matter. In the case of CB Richard Ellis, last year, the revenue that came from the U.S., 61%. So a big piece of it compared to a rival like Jones Lang LaSalle, which had about 43% of its sales from the U.S. market. So, Deirdre, that's been the story. If you've got more exposure to New York or the U.S. in general, you see this upside, and we saw that in the sales picture.
Okay, so that's the upside, right? There's always two sides to every story. What are the bears still saying about the commercial real estate market here?
Well, first of all, it depends on where you look in the country, and Brett White even said in the heartland, you're still not seeing a big pickup. But then when we talk about New York, it too can be a wild card. Listen to what he said.
If the economy takes a hit, if interest rates move up quickly, if we see shocks to the system, New York's going to feel those first, just as will any other large financial center.
One other thing he said that was interesting, Deirdre, that areas that have a lot of tech employment, like San Francisco, Seattle, they're doing pretty well.
All right. I guess not a huge surprise, but still good to have. John Erlichman, thanks very much. And John Erlichman there on the very latest with commercial real estate.